Hello student, I am Dr. Renu Kohli, Associate Professor in Geology at Government Bangalore College, Pali. Today in ecology, we will study water pollution. Before that, we must see how much water is there on planet Earth. As we know, Earth is very watery. About two-thirds of our Earth is covered with water, but for terrestrial life, including human, we need fresh water. Most of the water on our planet is saline. Only 3% of water is fresh water. Out of this 3%, only 1% is surface water. Rest of the fresh water is either frozen or underground. We have contaminated our globe with chemicals that have been used for agricultural industries and other industries extensively in last century. These chemicals have contaminated our planet from North Pole to South Pole and areas in between. Now, causes of water pollution. Dumping of waste, untreated sewage, and industrial discharge are the main cause of water pollution. Other causes are pesticide and fertilizers, plastics, polythene bags, and urbanization. Main categories of water pollutant or water pollutions are chemical pollution. The most common type of water pollution is chemical pollution, as chemical can infiltrate both underground water and other water sources, those sitting on the earth surface. As an important component of agriculture industry, most of chemical contamination comes from the pesticide and fungicide used in the farming. But metal and solvent from industrial sites are also leading contributors. Agriculture is the key source of water pollution, especially for groundwater. Fertilizers and pesticides applied to crop can seep into the ground and contaminate underwater rivers and waterbeds, thus compromising the quality of wells and other places from which groundwater is extracted for human use. Microbial pollution. Microorganisms such as bacteria, parasitic worms, and virus from infected organisms as well as human and animal waste can infiltrate water supply, causing waterborne disease. Nutrient pollution. Nutrient pollution, that is nitrogen and phosphorus, cause overgrowth of toxic algae eaten by other aquatic animals, and it can cause death. It may also cause outbreak of fish disease. Chemical pollution is known to cause decline in frog biodiversity and tadpole mass. Oxygen depletion pollution. Another consequence of algae bloom is their consumption of oxygen supplies. This means that those species which depend on oxygen to survive are killed off when anaerobic ones thrive, while anaerobic ones thrive. Some anaerobic organisms are capable of producing ammonia, sulfide, and other harmful toxins which can make the water even more dangerous to animals, including human. Suspended matter pollution. Improperly discarded waste such as fragment of plastics, rubber, or other man-made material can find themselves into water source and persist for long time. Because they are too robust to dissolve in water and too big to mix effectively with the molecule, they simply float on the surface and prevent oxygen and sunlight from penetrating below. What are the effects of pollution of water? Main effect is disease in human. Drinking or consuming polluted water in many ways results into harm to our health. Dumping of waste as one of the most important cause of water pollution. Untreated sewage as the second most important cause of water pollution, and industrial discharge as the third important cause of water pollution. Typhoid, diarrhea, dengue, cholera, jaundice, malaria, chikungunya, etc. are associated with water pollution. Destruction to ecosystem. Ecosystem are extremely dynamic and respond to even small change in the environment. Water pollution can cause entire ecosystem to collapse if left unchecked. Eutrophication. chemical in water body encourage the growth of algae. These algae form a layer on the top of pond or lake. Bacteria feed on these algae and they decrease amount of oxygen in the water body, severely affecting the aquatic life there. Effect on food chain. Disruption in food chain happen when toxins and pollutant in the water are consumed by aquatic animals like fish, shellfish, etc., which are then consumed by human. How can we stop water pollution? There is no easy way to solve water pollution. If there were, it would have been so much it would not have been so much of problem. Broadly speaking, there are three different things we can help to tackle the problem: education, law, and economics, or combination of all three as a team. Thank you.